Next topic is types of redox reactions. First type, chemical combination reactions. Combination means if two reactants combines to form one product, that is called combination. Here one more definition is there, that is the reaction in which one of the reactant or all of the reactants must be present in elemental state, or in standard state, are called chemical combination reaction. See, for example, take this reaction. C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. In this reaction, C and O2 are reactants, CO2 is product. Here carbon is present in elemental states. Of course, oxygen also present in elemental state. One reactant or all the reactant must be in standard state or elemental state. Then only that is called what? Chemical combination. Then why it comes under chemical combination redox reaction? See, I will discuss that point here. C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. Here oxygen state for carbon is 0 because that is an elemental state. For oxygen also 0. Here plus 4 for carbon. Here minus 2 for oxygen. From 0 to 4 oxygen state increases, so that it is oxidation. From 0 to minus 2 here, that is oxygen state decreases, that is reduction. So both oxidation and reduction takes place in this case, so that it is redox. That is what? Redox. So this is about what? First type, that is what? Chemical combination reaction. Next one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition means the reaction in which one reactant is converted into two or more products. That is called decomposition. We know that this reaction because this also came in 12th class. This is called decomposition reaction. See, this is the example. See, 2HGO. This is one reactant. It is converted into mercury and oxygen. Here mercury oxidation state plus 2. Why oxygen exhibits minus 2? If it exhibits minus 2, automatically the other substance exhibits plus 2. This is mercury. Here mercury is present in elemental state, oxygen also present in elemental state, so that they both exhibit 0 oxygen state. From plus 2 to 0, oxygen state decreases. So that part is reduction. From minus 2 to 0, oxygen state increases. So that is what? Oxidation. This is oxidation part, that is reduction part. So that is what? Decomposition reaction. Here one point is there, all decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. I will show the example for that. See, CaCO3. When CaCO3 undergoes decomposition, it gives CaO plus CO2. We know that very well. This is 2A group element, so it exhibits plus 2. Here also it is plus 2. Here oxygen minus 2. Here also oxygen minus 2. Here carbon plus 3. Here carbon plus 4. You can find CO3 minus 2. So x plus 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 plus 6. So sorry, plus 4 here. Carbon plus 4. Oxygen minus 2. See, if you see the oxygen state from calcium to calcium, both are plus 2 plus 2. There is no change in oxygen state. From carbon to carbon, here also plus 4 plus 4, no change in oxygen state. From oxygen minus 2 to minus 2. That means this is decomposition, but this is not redox reaction. So what is the conclusion? All decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. Next, that is second type. Third type, disproportionation reaction. This is very, very, very important reaction. What is it? Disproportionation. See, the reaction in which only one element undergoes both oxidation and reduction is called disproportionation reaction. The reaction in which only one element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. That means one element should undergo both oxidation and reduction. That is called disproportionation. I will discuss the example here. H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. When it undergoes decomposition, it forms H2O plus O2. Here, the reaction is not balanced. I will balance that reaction later. First, I will discuss about which one oxidation states. H2O2, this is what? Hydrogen peroxide. If a peroxide name is there in that compound, then that oxygen exhibits how much? Minus 1. Hydrogen exhibits how much? Plus 1. We know that very well. Here also hydrogen exhibits plus 1, oxygen here minus 2, because that is water. Here oxygen is present in elemental state, so that it exhibits 0 oxygen state. If you see the hydrogen, there is no change in oxygen state. That if you see the oxygen from this oxygen to this oxygen, minus 1 to minus 2, that means oxygen state decreases, increases, or decreases, that is reduction. From this oxygen to this oxygen, here from here to here oxygen state increases because minus 1 to 0. oxygen state increases. That is what oxidation. So in this reaction, in both oxidation and reduction, both are present. So that this is reduction. So this is redox reaction. But what is the point? In both the oxidation and reduction reactions, which element participated? Oxygen is participated. So that this is called disproportionation reaction. Very important. What is disproportionation reaction? The reaction in which only one element undergoes oxidation and reduction. One more example. Before discussing that example, I will balance this reaction. Here how many oxygens? 3. Here only 2. So put 2 here. Then put 2 here. Then put 2 here. Then this reaction would be balanced. 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens, 2 plus 2. So all atoms are balanced. One more example. Cl2 plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2O. Here chlorine oxygen state is how much? 0, because that is element state. Here sodium always exhibit plus 1, oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1. Here sodium plus 1, automatically chlorine exhibits minus 1. Here sodium plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Then what about chlorine? Plus 5. How? NaClO3 1, because that is 1A group element. X 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to plus 5. Hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. So from this sodium to sodium, no change in oxygen state. From this hydrogen to this hydrogen, no change in oxygen state. From this oxygen to this oxygen, no change in oxygen state. But from this chlorine to this chlorine, here 0 to here minus 1. That means here oxygen state 0, here minus 1. That means oxygen state decreased. So reduction. But if you see this chlorine, here 0, here plus 5. That means from here to here oxygen state increased. That is what? Oxidation. Here this reaction is also called what? Redox reaction. But which redox reaction? Disproportion. Because in this oxidation and reduction, only chlorine element participated. That is why this is also comes under disproportion reaction. To balance this reaction, what we have to do? Take 3Cl to here 6. Then here 5, here 3. Then this total reaction will be balanced. So that is about which one? Disproportion reaction. One more important point is that regarding this one, that is what? Fluorine. If you take fluorine exhibits minus 1 and 0 oxygen states only. It doesn't exhibit other than these 2 oxygen states. To show disproportion reaction, what happened? One same element should undergo oxidation state, and same element should undergo oxidation and reduction. That means one oxygen should increase and one oxygen state decrease. That means that element should exhibit at least 3 oxidation states. That element should exhibit at least 3 oxidation states. To show disproportion, the element should exhibit at least 3 oxidation states. But fluorine exhibits only minus 1 and 0. So it cannot undergo disproportion. That is very, very important. Similarly, 1A group elements also, because they exhibit plus 1 and 0 only. 2A group elements also, because they exhibit plus 2 and 0. That 1A, 2A and fluorine, they don't show disproportion. That is very, very important. Next point. Displacement reaction. Displacement means what? Just like substitution. If one substance is replaced by another substance, that is called displacement. The reaction in which one element displaces another element or ion is called displacement. See, when zinc reacts with copper sulfate, then zinc sulfate and copper will be formed. In this example, zinc is present in element state so that it exhibits 0 oxygen state. Here copper also exhibits in element state so that it also exhibits 0. In case of SO4, it oxygen state minus 2. If it exhibits minus 2, automatically the other substance exhibits plus 2. Here also same case. This SO4 exhibits minus 2, automatically this zinc exhibits plus 2. From this zinc to this zinc, 0 to plus 2, oxygen state increases. So that this part, this is what? Oxidation. This is what? Oxidation. From this copper to this copper, oxygen state decreases. So that this is reduction. This is redox reaction. Why it is called displacement reaction? See, if you see this example, then you get idea. Here, before the reaction, we have zinc and copper sulfate. After the reaction, we have zinc sulfate and copper. That means zinc replaces copper. That means copper is replaced by zinc. That means zinc replaces copper. That is why it is called displacement reaction, like substitution reaction. Next, calm proportionation reactions. Calm proportionation reaction. Calm proportionation means the reactions in which two species means atoms or ions or molecules, having different oxidation states. That means two species should exhibit different oxidation states. Two same species having different oxidation states to form same type of species which contains intermediate oxidation states is called calm proportionation reaction. If you see the example, then you get idea. See the reaction in which two species, same species, this is silver ion, silver atom. That is two, they both are same type of species, silver ion. Silver ion already +2 charge. Silver atom, that is elemental state, so 0. When they both react with each other, then they form silver ion, that is +1. So what we have to understand, here oxygen states are what? +2 and 0. Here oxygen state is what? +1. That means this +1 is present between 0 and +2. That is intermediate oxidation state. Here is silver +2, silver 0, silver +1. So two same species react and produce same species which contains intermediate oxidation state. From +2 to +1 oxidation state decreases, so this is redox. From 0 to +1 oxidation state increases, so that this is oxidation. So in this reaction both oxidation and reduction takes place, so that this is redox reaction. This is also called reverse of disproportionation reaction, because if you reverse this reaction, what will come? 2Ag plus gives rise to Ag plus Ag plus 2. Then also it is a redox reaction. Here +1 to 0 reduction, from +1 to +1 oxidation. This is what in oxidation reaction one element participated, so that this is what disproportionation reaction. So the reverse of all calm proportionation reaction are called what? The reverse of all calm proportionation reactions are called what? Disproportionation reactions. See, all calm proportionation reactions are reverse of disproportionation reactions. So this is all about types of redox reactions. In next video I will discuss about balancing redox reactions by ion electron method. That is very, very, very important. I will discuss about it in next video. Thank you.